Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5558 Sugartown Road, nearby the charming village of Ellicottville and renowned Holiday Valley Resort.
This is a stunning timber frame home with a pond and additional acreage to enjoy your private getaway. So let's take a tour.
This architect-designed timber frame home features exceptional open living with a great room, with tongue and groove pine cathedral ceilings, Douglas fir beams, yellow pine darkwood floors, and a wall of windows. Open to a designer country kitchen with beautiful stone countertops and accent walls, an island with a breakfast bar and slate floors, all overlooking the hallmark of this home, a gorgeous, centrally located stone fireplace.
Just off the great room is a family room with cathedral wood ceilings, custom rustic floors, beautiful stonework, and a private balcony with sweeping hillside views. All with a sleeping loft and a full bathroom. This master suite has it all, with a custom stone wall and woodwork, plus a full bathroom. Be at one with nature with this beautiful pond, overlooking the over 3-acre property with scenic vistas. Also available is an additional 37 acres to complement this property or the perfect place to build your dream home. All with easy access to Buffalo, Cleveland, and Toronto. This is a great place, Rob.
Yes, Ellicottville is the ultimate resort town with great shops, boutiques, restaurants, and breweries.
Holiday Valley is great year-round.
It offers amazing outdoor activities with hiking, golfing, and fantastic skiing in the winter. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5558 Sugartown Road nearby the charming village of Ellicottville.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!